Hey guys, I just wanted to jump in at the beginning of this video and thank you so much for all the kind words and support, especially on my last video, for all the DMs, and to those of you who have donated. And if donating to help these communities is something that you are interested in, I will have some links and some information in the description. But I just wanted to jump on and say I'm so thankful and so appreciative of the kind words and messages and all of the support. It honestly means so much. So thank you so much for being so understanding. And today I did want to come back with a bit more of a normal video. I mentioned in my last video that I'm excited and looking forward to starting to make more normal content again. So this video I actually filmed over a week ago, and it was the first day after taking a bit of time off where I had this little boost of energy and motivation, and I just wanted to clean. So I filmed it and wanted to share a cleaning motivation video for you for the start of 2020, or at least the start of my 2020. I said in my last video I'm a couple weeks behind everybody else, but yeah, I just wanted to share this video with you. I hope you find this video motivating or at least satisfying to watch. And yeah, again, I just want to thank you so much for all your understanding and support and kind words. It means so much, and I really love you guys, and I just want to say thank you. So let's get into this cleaning video, and I really hope you enjoy. Welcome to my first cleaning motivation video of 2020. I really need to get in and clean the house because of everything that happened around New Year's with my family and the fires and everything. It's just been an absolute emotional roller coaster start to 2020, and I honestly didn't do anything for like the first 2 weeks. Today I just want to clean because it's gotten a little bit out of hand. My friend is staying as well, and she's sort of set herself up in my bedroom, so I won't be going in and cleaning my bedroom, but I just really want to clean up the living space. I've got Christmas decorations I need to put away. I need to clean. It's been a couple of weeks of letting myself rest and be messy, but I'm starting to feel that 2020 New Year motivation, and I just need to get in and clean. Not sure where I'm gonna start, but let's get to it. Let's start with the dining table. I actually curled my hair extensions this morning. I find this a very therapeutic thing to do. So about every second week I will sit down and I will just use my Numi curling wand, and I will curl up my hair extensions for the next time that I wear them. So I'm gonna just pop them back in their bag and put them away and wipe down this table because I am pretty sure, oh yeah, it is really dusty. Okay, first part is done. It's definitely feeling a lot fresher in here. Behind me, I need to put away all of my makeup because I forgot to do it, which, you know what? I've been really good at putting my makeup away as soon as I'm done with it. I just didn't do it today. Laptop's fine, but I bought a new printer the other day. This is the HP Envy printer, super cheap. It was like $40. I bought it off Amazon, and I also have all of the rubbish here, which it's been here for about 4 days now, maybe 5 days. I need to unpack the printer and get it all set up, and then take out all of these boxes so that they're not just sitting here anymore. The kitchen needs a bit of work. I have lots of recycling that I need to put away. Also, by the way, Craig's cookies are the greatest cookies of all time. They're so amazing, but I just have stuff out that I need to put away. I'm actually really sick of having salt and oil and olives and stuff here, so I'm gonna put all of that away in the cupboard and just really clean this up so there's barely anything left on the bench. Can't say that I was surprised. And I thought kitchen is done, and oh my god, it feels so much better. I was just starting to get too many bottles and products out on the bench, so I'm glad that I've decided to put those away. At first I was happy having oils and sort of those condiments on the bench, but you know what, I actually really don't like it. I think it just makes it look messy, so I decided to put them all away. The only thing I have out still are some avocados because they need to ripen a little bit more. And my friend's not here, by the way. She's gone out to explore, and I haven't gone with her because I'm feeling a bit like chesty and I've got a sore throat, so I just don't want to be out in the cold. And if you're wondering why this place has been so chaotic, it's because everything that happened with my family happened on New Year's Eve, and then I was just sort of emotionally drained and exhausted in the first week, and then my friend on New Year's Day ended up with the flu. So the two of us were just trying to survive for the first couple of weeks of January, but now we're both starting to feel a bit better, even though I'm now possibly got a cold. I don't have the flu, but I possibly have a cold. But I just needed to get up today and just start cleaning so it's nice and fresh and just, oh, I can feel like I'm getting myself together for 2020. I've had time to relax, it's just I need to get back into life now. The kitchen definitely feels more fresh. I got rid of all of the condiments here and put them into the cupboard. Also in this corner, I got rid of all of my coffee mugs, put them up in this cupboard. They were just getting too cluttered on the bench, so I decided to put those away. Obviously got rid of all the recycling, have some avocados, and I need to get some more paper towel. And then I put this little guy back up here with this candle I got from H&M over Christmas. It's a very festive looking candle, but I'm gonna leave it because it's just so pretty. And it has been honestly almost a month since I've had flowers, which just makes me sad. I think this week I might need to get back into the swing of getting myself some fresh flowers because it always makes the place feel so nice when I have flowers. And this is my recycling things need to go out pile that I will probably do almost last because I hate having to take out the recycling and the rubbish. Next, I'm going to clean off the TV unit. I have so much stuff in this corner. There's a bunch of beauty products from Shoppers, receipts, candles. I have some Christmas decorations, all of the printer stuff that I just opened. I'm going to put the printer on this corner and set it up there because there's a PowerPoint really close and it'll just be a nice spot to have it. I need to get in and get this sorted because it's getting very messy. I am so close to finishing both of these candles, so I'm going to light one up now. I think I'm going to do this one because this is my favorite out of the two, but I would love to get these finished in the next couple of weeks. I took down a bunch of Christmas decorations the other day. Also, how cute is this little ornament? One of my friends got this for me and I think it's the cutest thing I've ever seen. And there's not a lot, and I actually have this box that had a sweater come in it, and I'm thinking that everything might, if I'm very careful at Tetrising, fit in this little box, which will make it easy for storage. I'm so impressed that it actually all fit in this box. So I'm gonna go put this in the cupboard, and I can't believe we're actually done with Christmas. Here's the little nest that I have created for myself in the living room. I've got like my throat lozenges and my cold and flu stuff. I also have some magazines to get me through, and I also have my new diary. This is from Indigo. It's super cute. I'll have it listed in the description, or if you've not already seen it on my Instagram. But yeah, let's clean this up and make this look like a normal living room again. I did a couple loads of washing the other day, darks and lights, and it's just been sitting there. I mean, it's great because I can just grab my clean washing straight out of the pile, but I really should fold it and put it away before I get in and vacuum the floors. Next, it's onto the hallway. Please don't judge me. It is an absolute mess in here. I have so many clothes and so many shoes that need to be put away. I have a pile of sweaters, a package from Lovington, more shoes, a frame from IKEA, more clothes, accessories, jackets, all things that just need to be put away. I even have another package up there. So let's get this all tidied up. This feels so much better. It's so less cluttered. I think I'm gonna pop a load of towels in the washing machine though. My camera battery died just as I was putting my washing in the machine, so I've popped on some towels and I vacuumed the bathroom floor and did a little tidy up in there. But I am gonna wrap up this video here because it's starting to get really dark outside and I'm a little bit exhausted and I can feel like my chest getting a bit heavy and I really don't want to end up super sick. So I think I just need to rest and chill out now, and hopefully I will be better maybe tomorrow or the next day and that I don't get worse. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this cleaning motivation video. Hope it's inspired you to get in and do a bit of a clean for the new year. So up the top here you can check out my last video. Down the bottom I will leave a link to another one of my videos and I will see you in the next one.